Hi, I'm Alex. In this video, I'll show you Airport. It is a QR code-based online complaint and error reporting system. The basic features are free for everyone. Let's get started. The application is cloud-based. It is available in multiple languages. This makes it easy and convenient for you and your clients. Registration is quick and free. We only ask for the most essential information. We will never ask for credit card details. After registration, you will receive an activation email. It will be sent to the address you provided. All important notifications will arrive there in the future. If everything went well, you can now log into the cloud. Before moving on, there is one more small step. Set your time zone and preferred language. This ensures correct communication at all times. You can rename your account to anything, but it's best to use English letters, because your account name may appear in other languages as well. That's it. You can now start using Airport. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was useful. In the next video, we will overview the dashboard and modules. Stay tuned.